Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to activate Google Assistant option into a Nokia G50 5G. First of all, open your Google application, this one. And on the bottom we got more option with 3 dots, so click it and go into settings. Then choose Google Assistant, and here need to scroll down and find general option, this one, general. Go into and click here on the switcher to turn on this option. So click it, confirm operation, turn on one more time, and that's it. Now we activate our Google Assistant option. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.